Hi, Luisa. You have some plagiarism in this assignment, two summary response entries for background sources that was due April 3rd. I think it's the second time I've told you this, and anyway, you need to fix it. You need to fix it here, and you need to check your bibliography, and you need to check your essay, your final cause, effect, and analysis essay. And you should also have a look at your final exam. Look at everything and make sure there's no plagiarism anywhere. And let me just show you, I click on this little percentage in order to access this report here. Oh, look, you have 29% AI too. Yeah. So this is, yeah, you need to get rid of the AI as well. So let's have a look. All right, so this is okay because it's in quotation marks. This, however, is not in quotation marks, and it's not okay. So this needs to be paraphrased better. Remember that the strictest definition of plagiarism is 3 words in a row, the same as your original, and this is about, 15. Let's just continue to scan here. So that looks like it's in quotation marks. That's okay, but this isn't. So that needs to be paraphrased. Everywhere you see flagged language that's not in quotation marks, you need to work on that and put it in quotation marks. Even here, you need to fix that. And that sentence too. Okay, so before we look at the AI report, let's talk about how to, the best way to paraphrase to avoid plagiarism. So you do want always to find some synonyms, of course, but also you want to restructure your sentence. So you want to find a new subject for your sentence. That's the way to avoid plagiarism the best. So like, look at here. Overall, agroecology is a crucial step towards creating a more sustainable and equitable food system for all. So the subject of this sentence here is agroecology. So you want to pick a different subject. So maybe I would think maybe a good new subject would be the best way to make sure that we are building an equitable and sustainable food system, or maybe there's a synonym for food system, is through I can't even pronounce the word ecology, or something like that. You saw how I picked a different subject for that. Sorry, someone was calling me. Okay, so this AI, unfortunately, you guys don't get this report, but here's what it looks like. I'm going to click on this. Percentage may not indicate academic. Yes, that is true. 29 is not very high, but it does indicate to me that, either you've been using, oftentimes students get AI detection notifications like that because they're using Grammarly word recommendations. Perhaps that's it, or only you can know what happened. Let's see. Okay, so this is the section down here. So what it looks like to me is that it looks like to me that you use ChatGPT or something for the last bit of your assignment. That's what it looks like to me. And so whatever it is, you need to fix it. It's the last, you can see it's those last 2 paragraphs. And not only do you need to fix it in this assignment, but you need to fix it in your bibliography and your essay. I can't grade them if they have these problems.